Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw cash to bank on crypto.com. Now step 1 is just open the application of crypto.com in your mobile phone and let it load. Make sure to enter your password or pin, whatever you have. And once you're onto this section, make sure to click on the three lines which are on the upper left corner. And once you click here, you are seeing the options. First one is crypto wallet, second one is cash. So make sure to choose the second option, which is called cash. And once you click on cash, so it will take you to this page, which is called open a USD account, deposit USD to buy crypto or and withdraw USD when you sell crypto. So as you can see, the benefits: zero deposit fees, deposit and withdraw USD via Swift, and use your bank account to transfer funds. The third option is very important, which is like you can withdraw cash to bank through the crypto.com. So make sure to click on continue and make sure to like submit all the details that they are asking for. They will ask you for some kind of security number or your identity card. As you can see, information required: residential address, proof of address. Make sure to give them all the information. It might take a week or 2 weeks to verify all the information. And once all the information is verified, so after that, you just need to select any of the coin that you want to withdraw. Let's say just click on crypto and choose the coin. Let's say I want to go on the like Bitcoin. You can click on transfer, withdraw, and external wallets. And in this section, you will be able to see like your bank account as well. Like you can select your bank account, and after that, you will be able to withdraw whatever the cash you want to withdraw from the crypto.com. So that is the simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.